Let me introduce this water treatment system designed for water-scarce regions. With its dependable purification technology, it effectively provides safe drinking water to help address local water challenges. 18 tons per hour. Containerized reverse osmosis system by Besta Membrane. High efficiency, mobile, and fully integrated water treatment. The Besta Membrane containerized RO system delivers 18 tons per hour of purified water, ideal for industrial, municipal, and emergency use. Compact and portable, standard container design for easy transport and quick deployment. High-performance filtration, removes impurities, salts, and heavy metals for safe, clean water. Smart and automated, remote monitoring and low-maintenance operation. Versatile applications, suitable for seawater desalination, industrial water, and more. Plug and play, reliable and efficient. Contact us for more details.